I've been trying to tell people about the right way to do marriage. I've kind of come to the conclusion that there isn't necessarily a right way. There's definitely some wrong ways to do it. But I think that different people work out things that work for them. So rather than trying to tell you what the right way to do marriage is, I think I'm just going to tell you the way that I do it. And I think I'll start with the most important one. So number one in my life is my conscience. You could call that my religious convictions, however you want to frame that. But basically, I'm not going to do something that violates my conscience. End of story. I'm not going to steal, lie, cheat, mistreat people, abuse people, any of that kind of stuff. So it doesn't matter whatever my wife wanted me to do, I'm not going to do that stuff. Now, fortunately, she never wants me to do anything that violates my conscience, so that works out great for us. So that's my first rule. My second rule is that my wife comes second to my conscience, okay? So that means that basically anything else in my life, I'm going to put my wife first. She goes before my career. She goes before my hobbies, basically anything else in my life. And since my wife doesn't want me to do anything that violates my conscience, basically what this means is that my wife comes first in my life. And my wife knows this. I will do anything that my wife asks me to do. And not only that, it's not that she has to ask me to do something. I'm actively looking for things that are going to make her life happier, that are going to just make her have a good life. So if there's something that I know that she wants or she wants to do, I'm gonna try, or something that she wants to have done, I'm gonna do that thing. I'm gonna encourage her to do things that will make her happy. I'm gonna try to get her things that she's gonna like. I also don't want her to do anything that she's not gonna like, that's not gonna make her happy. So if there's something that's gonna make her miserable, I don't want her to do it. So I'm gonna call this my marriage rule number one. And in the next video, I will introduce my marriage rule number two. So in summary, rule number one is that my wife comes before everything, with the exception of violating my conscience. My conscience is number one, but my wife is the thing after that.